We're going to go to our lipstick. That's the last thing we do to finish off this look. Obviously, we've got a nice sharpened pencil.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Got your mirror?
Yes.
Right. So what you want to do with the pencil is obviously start from the top of the lip, okay? So you literally draw on. So make sure you don't go over the edge, but you just want to create a really nice, fine, but detailed line. Don't go over the edge. So there you go. So you've finished off the lip liner.
Yeah.
Which is actually really quite difficult to do when you're talking. But it's called colour within the lines, so that's
what we're doing.
That's the whole point. Keep within the lines. So now we're going to go with the lipstick.
Cute.
So look, this lipstick was designed purposely with the lid. So it's a magnetic lid.
Oh, nice.
No falling off in your handbag.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So start with the lipstick bullet. Obviously the point goes up the bow of the lip. Start in the middle, arch, and then, nice.
Yes.
Yeah, feels
Lovely
good,
colour.
doesn't it?
Yeah, and it really goes well with the eyes.